Welcome. In front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will tell you a couple of advice and also tips to make your device work faster. So first is changing the power mode of your device. To do that, press and hold the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and select power and sleep settings, and then go to the power mode and here select the best performance mode in order to ensure the best performance of your device. You can set this mode for your device both when it's plugged in and working on battery, but I suggest that you use it for your device only when it's plugged in, because this will because if you change this setting for your device when it's working on battery power, then it's gonna discharge very quickly. So it's better if you use best power efficiency mode or balanced mode on battery. Okay, the next thing, hold down the taskbar and open the task manager, then go into the startup section right here, and here you'll be able to see the list of all applications that can start up when you boot up your device. So this list is consists only the essential applications, as you can see. So only the Microsoft and Intel applications, and if you want to see which ones of them start up during when you boot up your PC, check the status, and if it's enabled, then it means that this application starts when you boot up the device. So if your list consists some applications that you do not necessarily need to start up when you boot up your PC, you just have to select one of the applications and tap on disable button in order to disable the startup of the application. This will reduce the time of booting of your device, as well as increase the performance of it when you're using it by reducing the list of apps running in the background. And the next tip I wanted to share with you is the tabs in your browser. So even the empty tabs that you haven't closed consume a lot of RAM power, which is crucial, especially for this device. So if I have a browser with a list of tabs open in it, it will significantly increase the amount of memory used. So if we go to the task manager and select the memory tab, you can see how much it affects the usage of the memory. And if we go into the processes section, you'll be able to see that Microsoft Edge is right now using 1.5 gigabytes of RAM memory, and it's just the empty tabs that I keep opened. So simply by closing this browser or by closing the tabs that I'm not using, I will reduce the memory usage on this device by 1.5 gigabytes of RAM memory. And as you can see how significantly it reduced the memory usage. And so that will be it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.